Hello, my people. It's my hope that you had a fantastic and successful Christmas. I know most of you people are still celebrating. It's always good to celebrate, but the most important thing is to be safe because we will still need you in the coming year to continue nation building. And for those who have started traveling back, always make sure you are safe. We are still giving you our educational bangers as we promised. And even if we are celebrating, we can't forget to give you what we promised. And for those who are subscribing, I always thank you. I always appreciate you. I always appreciate those who are commenting, liking, and sharing my videos. We are almost clicking 10,000 subscribers, which is a very big achievement, of which you people promised me that before date 1 or start of next year, we will have hit the 10,000 mark. And I'm so optimistic, and I hope we will achieve that as a family. So let's get back to our topic, whereby we have been discussing about food poisoning for the better part of the last 2 or 3 weeks. And today we will start by discussing how to prevent spread of food poisoning. And I hope by today, those who have been following my videos, you are able to know what food poisoning is and how to manage it in the right way. So we are still educating you on the ways you can apply to prevent food poisoning. So anyone can get food poisoning. It's not for a certain group or certain people or certain age group, but anyone can get food poisoning, but there are ways to prevent its spread once you have been infected. So the best way to prevent the spread is to manage that one member of our family household who has been infected, to prevent it from spreading to the other family members. So preventing the spread of contagious foodborne illness is important because complications can arise. Complications can only arise if proper prevention methods are not applied. So, since food poisoning can cause vomiting and diarrhea, there is the risk of dehydration, and we have discussed this several times, and the dangers of dehydration. So, since food poisoning can cause vomiting and diarrhea, there is the risk of dehydration. In severe cases of dehydration, hospitalization. In severe cases of dehydration, hospitalization or getting admitted is required to replace the fluids. Here you find that when you are so much dehydrated, because it can harm your brain, it can harm your kidneys. The loss of fluid can be replaced through intravenous fluids, or fluids are replaced through the vein, and this needs an hospital admission or hospitalization. Dehydration can be dangerous, particularly to the infants, the elderly, and people with weak immune system. I hope you get that. Let me repeat. Dehydration can be dangerous, particularly to the infants, elderly people, and those who have poor or weak immune system. And below are tips or ways on how to prevent spread of food poisoning depending on the cause. So we will be discussing each of the causes and the way you can prevent. For example, we discussed they are caused by bacteria, virus, and parasites. So how can you prevent a bacteria spread? How can you prevent a virus spread? And how can you prevent a parasite from spreading to the rest of the family. So let's start by bacteria. So to prevent bacteria spread, stay home. Stay home from school or work until symptoms disappear. We are talking about a person or somebody who has already been infected by this foodborne disease or food poisoning. So if you are a child and you have it, you should stay home until the symptoms disappear to avoid spreading to the rest of the school members. Or if you are employed, stay home until these symptoms disappear to prevent spreading of this kind of a disease. And if you are at home, you should also stay in isolation to avoid spreading to the rest of your household members. Wash hands with the warm soapy water after going to bathroom and coming into contact with animal or human feces. And this is very important. Wash hands with warm soapy water after going to the bathroom or coming into contact with animal or human feces, because this can lead to contamination of food. Number 3, don't prepare all and/or foodstuffs. Don't prepare all and/or foodstuffs or drinks until symptoms disappear and you feel better. Next, teach children how to properly wash their hands according to CDC. Proper washing should take about 20 seconds. Teach children on how to properly wash their hands. And according to CDC, proper hand washing should take about 20 seconds, the same length of time it takes to sing the Happy Birthday song twice. I hope you get that. Let me repeat this. Teach children how to properly wash their hands. And according to CDC, proper hand washing should take about 20 seconds, the same length of time it takes to sing the Happy Birthday song twice. Number 5, disinfect. This is very important. Disinfect commonly touched surfaces. Disinfect commonly touched surfaces in the home. For example, light switches, doorknobs, counter tools, remotes, remote controls, etc. Number 6, clean the bathroom toilet after each use using disinfecting wipes or disinfectant spray. Clean the bathroom toilet after each use using disinfecting wipes or disinfectant spray on the seats and the handle. Next, let's talk about how to prevent spread of viruses. We are done with bacteria. Stay home from school and work until symptoms disappear. This is the same as there is no bigger difference between prevention of its spread between bacteria and viruses. So stay home from school and work until symptoms disappear and avoid travel. Number 2, wash your hands with warm soapy water after using bathroom and after coming into contact with human or animal feces. Number 3, don't prepare all and/or food or drinks till symptoms disappear and you feel better. Next, disinfect surfaces around the house. And the last point, wear gloves when cleaning up vomit or diarrhea of an infected person. So this marks the end of our first video today. And in the next video, we will continue discussing about how to prevent spread of these infections, and we will be talking about parasites, because they are always 3: bacteria, virus, and parasites. So thank you for your time. Thank you for being with me. And let's meet in the next video.